You better tag your best friends because this Cheat Like Me series, it's gonna be.
It's about making good decisions when you really want to make some bad food decisions.
Welcome to the series, Cheat Like Me. So the first recipe we're gonna start with is a homemade marmalade. So grab a cup of strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries.
Put them in there?
Put it in them.
All of it.
All of it.
This is wild.
Because we're gonna use it for so many different things. Half a lime or lemon, cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla extract. If you want a little bit of more sweetness, then we're just gonna put an alternative to sugar. So what you guys are gonna do, you're gonna add all your berries in a pot. You're gonna turn up the heat,
Okay,
and we're gonna let it simmer.
What do I do?
Just throw it in.
All of it or
all of
one
it.
serving? Okay,
All of
all
it.
of it. Watch your fingers.
Go, 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 go.
This is on camera. If I burn you,
It's okay. All right.
bye.
So now we're gonna put this in the fridge. You wanna make sure that this is cold. So now we're gonna make pudding. You ready?
Born ready.
Guilt-free pudding. Chia seed pudding, love this. I added on my programs all the time, but I switched up the recipe. So I want you to grab coconut milk that is light and unsweetened, and it's going to be a game changer. So RP, add a quarter cup of chia seeds, quarter cup of this coconut milk. Then we have half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add some cinnamon. Go. And vanilla extract. And you're gonna stir it from time to time. Wait a couple of minutes, 3-4 minutes, continue to stir, and then you're gonna put that in the fridge. Then it's gonna look like this, okay? We're just gonna add a little bit of your favorite coconut milk or your unsweetened almond milk so that it loosens up the consistency. And now you have amazing pudding. All right, team, so now we're going to build a healthy parfait. We're gonna use the same marmalade we already made earlier, and we're gonna bring in the yogurt, but now we can bring in the fats. And I heard you got all the fats. Bam, 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 bam. For this particular recipe, we are going to make it balanced. So this is the learning nutritional aspect of this video. When you're building out your recipes, make sure that you have a well-balanced snack or meal. So we're using 0% Greek yogurt. If you were to use the 100%, it already has fat in it. So we're gonna remove the fat because I rather have one of these delicious fats. So we're gonna use our marmalade. 0% Greek yogurt, we're gonna add in the cinnamon. By the way, do you know that cinnamon is an appetite suppressant?
I do, girl.
So get your cinnamon
And
on.
it tastes good.
Delicious. So cinnamon
Vanilla extract.
to taste. We're gonna stir everything up.
Okay, so dollop on the bottom.
Ooh, let's layer it.
Yeah. And then that.
Okay, go.
More? Oh,
Yes.
like, so
We're
what?
putting all of it there.
Got it.
So there's about a cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt here.
more.
Yeah, put more.
Okay, go.
And then maybe you wanna,
Spread it.
oh my
I felt like it
God.
would spread when you put that, no?
Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring.
Oh my word.
Oh my God, look. Oh my God. Yo,
Can I pick the nut butter because I already know which one's going?
which one?
The mixed
coconut?
one. No, you know why? Let me tell you why.
We're no longer best friends.
No, you know why?
We're no
Because
longer
this is
friends.
very thick. This guy actually drizzles.
Drizzles.
Yes.
So this is where we're gonna give you another tip. When you're handling nut butters, because they're so delicious, this is the densest of all macronutrients. So for every gram of a healthy fat, there's 9 calories added to it. So you have in the back of your label, per serving, this is 32 grams. So if you can weigh it, but it's about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons. We're not gonna eyeball it. So to build out your recipes, go by the portion size. So that's a good way to measure.
Slow and I'm cut. I can't even look at this anymore. That would be torture. Are we putting 1 tablespoon?
Just 1.
Okay, this is perfect. Have your partner clean the utensils.
Yes. Okay, so we have a second delicious snack for you. I mean, tell me, if you have a sweet craving, we got you. This is how you can cheat like us. We're gonna put every single macro on the description below this video. Okay, so now for our third snack, we have milk chocolate covered bananas. So, I wanna show you this brand. It's called Lily's. So this particular chocolate brand sweetens everything with stevia. So when you look at the back, and if you were to compare both labels, you're gonna find that this per serving, it's 11 grams of healthy fats, 16 grams of carbs, but 9 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of protein. So this is not your average chocolate bar. We're gonna melt this with a little, just a little. We use what? A tablespoon of unsweetened almond milk. And we literally melted the chocolate, 1 small banana, and then we dipped it and we covered the bananas. And then we put them in the fridge.
This is the perfect alternative to ice cream.
You want to cheers?
Yes. I've been waiting for this moment.
Cheers! So for our next snack, if you love cereal, this is amazing. So grab any cereal that's out there. We know that it's loaded with sugar, but what we're trying to do with this series is to help you find alternatives so that when you have these sort of cravings, you always opt for the healthier option.
So at night, when I'm craving cereal, this is my alternative?
Yes, because it has been my alternative.
So tell us about it. Let's
All right.
compare
So let's compare labels. For 27 grams, 124 calories, 5 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of protein. So let's match it. We're gonna do 42 grams. We're gonna add our favorite milk. I love almond milk, unsweetened all the time, and you don't need anything that is sweetened. So.
This is pretty sweet.
Wait.
On its own.
That's beautiful.
Are you serious?
Okay, and I love to eat this literally dry as well.
Oh, yeah. At night.
Boom. So good. Okay, so let's talk about our next snack. Protein shakes are not only to recover post-workout and to meet your protein requirements, but you can use them as snacks, even when you're not working out. If you've never tried this flavor of protein, it's amazing.
It's so good.
And it's only 100 calories per serving. So let's make it. Always, we're gonna start with unsweetened almond milk and let's read. It's 110 calories, 2.5 grams of healthy fats that is coming from the peanuts, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and protein, 20 grams of protein, and 27 different vitamins and minerals. Oh, that's it. Okay, so 1.5 scoops. That's gonna make it, boom.
That's it?
Yep, that's it. And we're gonna whip it. Look at how thick it is.
Are you serious right now?
Thick it is. So good. What I love to do anytime that I have a sweet craving is to add a little bit of whipped cream. We had, unfortunately, oh my God, you did not do that. You're so naughty. I love it. Okay, that's pretty.
That's a little razzle dazzle.
Or you know what? Let's get crazy here.
It's no sugar, right? It's not.
105. So that's 30 grams of protein, 150 calories, 150.
Under 150, 100%.
There we go.
You don't know. This is the most I've heard Massy not say anything. Massy.
What is this about?
Who knows, really?
Hola, hola.
Who do you make terrible
imagine?
food decisions with? Alone, because you have no friends. Just kidding. Don't be ridiculous. This is how the video is gonna be. If you wanna know, you gotta pay attention. Sorry. The title was clickbait. It's actually about advancing.
Let's go.
Tell me.